we will connect the Productivity Mini PLC P1-M622-16DR to our computer running the Productivity Suite software. An Ethernet RJ45 communication link will be made to our programmable logic controller. The P1-M622 series packs 6 communication ports into a standalone package smaller than your hand. That's USB-C programming, dual Ethernet ports, RS-232, RS-485, and a microSD slot for data logging, all without needing separate I/O modules or power supplies. Let's get started. Detailed information contained in this video can be found at accautomation.ca. A link has been put in the description below. The website offers extensive links, references, and coding samples, making it a one-stop shop for all your automation queries. accautomation.ca. P1-M622-16DR communication ports. The P1-M622-16DR Mini PLC includes the following communication ports. 1. microSD slot. 2. USB-C 2.0 programming port. 3. RS-232 serial port, RJ12. 4. RS-485 serial port, terminal block style. 5. 10100 megabyte Ethernet port. 6. 10100 megabyte Ethernet port for remote I/O. Mini PLC connection. Connect our RJ45 Ethernet cable from the Ethernet port on the Productivity Mini PLC P1-M622-16DR to our network router or switch. Our computer is also connected to the router or switch on the same network. Start the Productivity Suite software package. Double-click on the shortcut icon on your screen or from the Windows Start button. All programs Automation Direct Productivity Suite. Call the Productivity CPU Connections window. When you first start up the Productivity Suite software, you will get the Start menu. Click on Read the project from the CPU. This will call up the CPU Connections window. You can also get to this window at any time by one of the following 3 ways. 1. Click the Choose CPU icon in the software's main menu. 2. Click Choose CPU from the Application Tools menu under Control CPU. 3. Click Choose CPU from the main menu under CPU. Click the IP4 connection in the CPU Connections window. You will notice we now have some additional choices that we can change. Click Start Blinking CPU Run Light. This will start the run light on the P1-M622-16DR unit blinking. It is a great way to ensure that we are communicating with the correct PLC unit. Click Stop Blinking CPU Run Light. The run light will stop blinking. Change IP address, Productivity Ethernet communication. Highlight the Ethernet connection type in our CPU Connections window. Click Change CPU IP ALC name, the Change IP address, while a CPU name window will now appear. Ensure that the Ethernet port is selected. We will now change the settings to the following IP address 192.168.1.156. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default gateway 192.168.1.1. This is the access to the internet. See the following for a review of IP addressing, accautomation.ca, what everybody ought to know about IP addressing. The CPU name default is the model number. This is P1-M622-16DR. We will leave this as is, but you could change the name to something easier to address in your automation project. Click OK to save the changes made. Notice that the IP address has changed in our CPU Connections window. Connect to the PLC, establishing Ethernet communication. Click on the Connect button. This will select the Ethernet port we want to use for programming the unit in our CPU Connections window. We currently have no project in our CPU, so a warning message is shown. Click OK. Our screen will now show that we are connected, the PLC's current mode, and the PLC's connection status. The icon in the software's main menu shows we are online and in stop mode. The Application Tools menu under Control CPU also shows that we are online and in stop mode. The status bar at the bottom of the screen, under CPU, will show our connection type and the CPU name. CPU, the Ethernet connection 192.168.1.156, name P1-M622-16DR. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the like button below. Keeping up with all the latest automation innovations can be difficult, so hit the subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell beside your subscription to receive the notifications. Establishing communication with our Mini PLC is straightforward. P1-M622-16DR communication capabilities. The Mini PLC Ethernet port supports Modbus TCP client connections, 16 server devices, Modbus TCP server connections, 16 client devices, Ethernet IP scanner, 32 adapters, Ethernet IP adapter, 4 scanners with 8 connections per device, custom protocol over Ethernet, CPoE, ProNet for productivity-to-productivity communication, outgoing email. The Remote I/O Ethernet port supports GS drive connections up to 16 drives, Protos X TCP couplers up to 4, P1-RX remote slave modules up to 4, PSAMC motion controllers. The serial ports support RS-232 Modbus RTU master slave ASCII custom protocol, RS-485 multi-drop Modbus RTU networks up to 1000 meters ASCII communication. Next time, we will write our first program and transfer it to the Productivity Mini PLC P1-M622-16DR. The Productivity Mini PLC series from Automation Direct, and specifically the P1-M622-16DR, is a compact powerhouse that packs serious capability into a surprisingly small footprint. To learn more, click here to build digital twins of 3D virtual machinery, test control logic, and learn automation without expensive hardware using Machine Simulator.